Christmas Day, we're gonna bake almost all day to try to help populations who have no food. To do the right thing for the people, you know. We've been here for so long and we enjoy the place and we want to see the place raising again, and we want to see all those people, you know, having food and hopefully a roof soon on their head, you know.
Sige po.
Maybe we just put here.
Super hot.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, bread.
Yay!
Chelsea baguette.
Oh, it's
Chelsea
mini roll.
baguette. I want to see one. Let's see.
Easy to flip. Alright, can we pull it out and we're getting back the bag? We need the
Okay,
bag back.
Ziggy. Where can we put it?
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Wow.
Merry. Chief, Joy peanut butter din doon, Chief.